In the heart of the matrix, the glucose you knew is no longer the same. It followed the path that the enzymes dictate. 3 carbons of pyruvate, refined into flame, stripped of its waste, turned to cellular fuel, Acetyl-CoA. Now priming the core, the generator hums, the cycle begins to unlock the power that's waiting within. In the spiral of the TCA, we find the spark, turning the fuel inside the silent dark. 8 steps of power, harvesting the light, loading up the carriers to win the fight. Acetyl meets the host, Oxaloacetate, they merge into citrate, no time to hesitate. Citrate follows, then the first big hit, Alpha-Ketoglutarate. Yeah, the carbons gotta split, CO2 is flying out, the pressure starts to climb, loading up the NADH, 1 molecule at a time. We're stripping down the structure, moving through the gate, dropping 1 more carbon just to reach the Succinate. In the spiral of the TCA, we find the spark, turning the fuel inside the silent dark. 8 steps of power, harvesting the light, loading up the carriers to win the fight. Yeah. Now we're at the halfway mark, the 4 carbon floor, Succinate to fumarate. We're opening the door, FADH₂ enters now with different kind of freight. Hydration hits the system as we turn to late. 1 last oxidation, yeah, the finish line is near. Oxaloacetate returns, making everything clear. The host is back in place, the cycle standing tall, ready for the next Acetyl, ready for it all. In the spiral of the TCA, we find the spark, turning the fuel inside the silent dark. 8 steps of power, harvesting the light, loading up the carriers to win the fight. 2 turns for the glucose, that's the math you gotta know. 6 in an ADH, 2 FADH, 2 in a show, 2 ATP for the pocket, 4 CO2 for the breath. This is how we power life and cheat the cellular death. From the matrix to the chain, the electrons take flight, because the heart dictates the dream and the machine dreams in light. The cycle is complete, but the story isn't over. The carbon is gone, exhaled into the wind, but the ghost of the fuel are still here. Look at the carriers, NADH, FADH₂, fully charged electric taxis, glowing with potential. They're leaving the matrix now, merging onto the ETC highway. They got the cargo, and they're heading for the big payout. More power on their journey. See you in the next chapter of the archive.